Hello everyone, this is Melissa. I have a design team project here for Studio 28E. I used the 2000 member kit. Sherry designed a kit specifically for winners of the 2000 member contest when she reached 2000 members. So I am using the kit, and it's actually very pretty. Very utilitarian kit, I guess. You can use it with anything. You can mix and match, and it is really very lovely. So let's get on with the journal. I made a single signature journal, and you can see some fabric tabs here and some ruffle tabs here, fabric. One signature. This is the cover in the digital kit. This is a little bit of burlap lace ribbon and a ribbon tie, like a taupe and a pink. On the front, I have done a little bit of layering. This is removable, so you can put in whatever words you would like. A little bit of dangles here, some lace. This is a pocket with a journaling card. And this little arrow moves. And this is just a card that I have in my stash, and I attached it. This was a piece of wallpaper that Sherry had given me, and a small little French word card tucked in there. And that turns back that way, and open this. And again, back, front. I did sew the pages together. The cover, this is just a cotton material. This is a little piece of fabric turned into a pocket. This is one of the bits of ephemera, an envelope, that I cut out and turned into a journaling spot. This is a file folder. This is one of the pages. Added some punched and embossed flowers, a little bit of stamping on them. This is the journaling card, and I added a little bit of fussy cut and a label on index. This is one of the envelopes that comes with the kit, put together, ready to stuff with anything you like. And this file folder I turned into a little pocket. And pages from the kit. The entire thing is filled with 2000 member and also Sherry's tea stained kit. Sticker, bird sticker, and some stamping. And again, the little ruffle fabric. This is from the 2000 member. For some of her tea staining. It's pretty. A little bit of fabric lace with a pink ribbon. And this is just a fussy cut bird. And that was the cover, made smaller, turned into a little journaling spot. This is just a card. This was from my stash, from a different printable. And a little sticker butterfly and the word kindness on some cotton. This is one of the file folders turned into a pocket, and one of the tags with a little bit of collage on there. And one of the fabric tabs. Pocket from the kit, a label from the kit with a little bit of collage on there. Fussy cut flower, paper doily, label, butterflies. This is also from the kit. A punched flower turned into a journaling spot. one of my coffee filter and paper doily. This is old vintage image that I have. I like to print out, backed with index card. And this is one of the tags, and fussy cut put on there, paper doily, and one of the washi tape, which is part of the kit. And this also is open in the back. And this is a card that I had in my stash. This is one of the tags with fussy cut label and butterfly. And it's just backed on manila. And more of the pages. Lots of writing space in this one. This is one of the envelopes and journaling card with a little fussy cut and backed with another one of the journaling cards. So I printed this out so that we could have the digital tea staining on the inside. And this is a pocket behind. This is one of her digital coffee filters, and it added a little tag to one of her, using one of her tags, added some collage bits on there. And another stamp, another sticker butterfly, and some stamping. This is one of her bank envelopes. It's part of the digital kit used with her coffee or tea staining. I'm not sure what she did. And another one of her pockets with a punched flower. And the center of the signature. And another file folder turned into a pocket with a tag. And this envelope is one of my favorite of her envelopes. I added a little stamp and an actual stamp and a ink stamp, a label, and inside is one of the digital papers printed out on both sides, same pattern, and then just a little fussy cut bird added and a label. A little bit of fumble fingers here, and that's just paper clipped on. Another fabric tab with a little bit of bling. Another one of the corner pockets, and two more of her tags with some fussy cuts and labels added. Another one of those file folders, and another tag with the flowers and the label added. And another one of the tags, paper doily and fussy cut. And this is another one of the envelopes from the kit. Sticker, another piece of fabric ruffle. And another pocket with a bingo card, a little punched flower, and backed with another type of card. And this was a piece of the ephemera. It's folded in half for journaling spot. Back pocket, same as the front, and another one of those little journaling cards. And that is the little design team journal created using the 2000 member digital kit. I will put a link down below. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and until the next video, bye for now.